Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable dark mode or dark theme on your YouTube Studio app. So guys, want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take is to make sure that you have the updated version of the YouTube Studio app. For you to be sure that you have the updated version of the YouTube Studio app, what you have to do right away is to go over to your Play Store in case you're using an Android phone, or you go over to your App Store in case you're using an iPhone. So let me go over to Play Store. Since I'm using an Android phone for this tutorial, let me tap on my Play Store right away. So guys, once you open up your Play Store or your App Store, what you have to do right away is to search for YouTube Studio app. So let me search for it right away. Studio app for Android. Let me tap on it. So guys can see it there. That's the second option, the red and white logo. You can see it there. So let me tap on it so you're going to see it clearly. So guys, now you can see this is the YouTube Studio app. So what you have to do right away is to tap on update to get the app updated. So let me tap on it. So guys, it's actually important that you update your YouTube Studio app, because without doing that you won't find the dark mode on your YouTube Studio app. So make sure you get it updated before you go ahead. So guys, now you can see it's updating, 71% updated. Let's just wait till it gets to 100%, then we are good to go. So guys, now you can see it has been updated. You can no longer find update there. So what you have to do next now is to tap on where you see open. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it to open my YouTube Studio app. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I've opened my YouTube Studio app. So the next step I have to take now towards enabling dark mode on my YouTube Studio is to tap on my YouTube profile icon there. You can see that at the top right corner, you can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. You can see there. So guys, here now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the first option. You can see it there. You can see it is settings. Tap on settings. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the last option, which is dark theme. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see what is written there, dark theme, reduce glare and improve night viewing. So once I tap on that option now, once I toggle it on, this my phone screen will turn to dark, it will turn black immediately. So let me tap on it right away. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see dark mode has been enabled on my YouTube Studio app. You can see it. Let me go back now. Let me go back to the home page. So guys, now you can see this is the home page. You can see how the dark mode has been enabled. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified soon. Our next upload. Bye bye, peace.